If you want to set a custom ringtone on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we can go to the settings. Now over here go to sound and vibration, scroll down in order to find phone ringtone, and now over here you want to go to my sounds and press this plus button in the bottom right corner. Now you should be able to choose the ringtone from your phone. So for example, we can tap on this left side in order to, for example, go to audio or downloads, and then we can choose the sound. So let's say I'm gonna choose this ringtone over here. I can select it now. We also have the preview. Press save in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!